have a final at college. Wow. Good luck, Steve. I hope you will have high grades. Denada Sisi from Kuya Ade. Ano ba to? Nagmamalat na yung boses ko. Si Kuya Ade kasi patawa ng patawa. Thank you. I need the... Yes, be sure you can make it, Steve. You can make it, be sure. Ayan. Kindly support Steve, guys. I drop the link here. Kindly support him. He only has a moment. Let me see how many subscribers do you have. Ah, you have now 1.69k subscribers. You can support the short videos of Steve, guys, because the videos he uploaded are very long. So you can support the short videos he has. Thank you, I need the luck. I just hit 1,690 subscribers. Congratulations, Steve. Just continue what you are doing and be sure. 10:30 p.m. Ayan, matutulog na si Kuya Ade. Good night, Kuya Ade. I just saw your comment on my short thanks. You're welcome, Steve. I will write your name so that I can return back and play your long video later on. Ano ba to? Nangangati yung lalamunan ko sa kakatawa. Creeper Steve. Creeper Steve. Ayan. Good night, Sir Ade from Sis JRS. Ayan, 7 minutes more. 7 minutes more, guys, and 1 hour na tayo para makatulog na yung mga taga-Asia. Lalo na Sis JRS. Ilang oras na? Ay, 11 na dyan, Sis JRS. Naku, malapit nang lumabas yung mga multo. Kabsat Toto, salamat. Salamat kuya to, ay Kabsat Toto. Toto talamo. Ayan, mag-set ako ng sa watch later para hindi ko makalimutan. Kasi yung mga pumupunta sa live ko, sineset ko na siya sa watch later para alam ko kung sino yung mga babalikan ko ba. Ayan. Kapatid Toto, good morning dyan from Sis Lori. Hello Lori from Kuya ay Kabsat Toto. Kuya Ade, di makaalis-alis. Ayan. Naku, tulog na si Tulog na si Kuya Ade. Matutulog na yan. 10:30 na daw. Good morning from Kabsat Toto. Ay, morning pala doon. Di ba sa Canada si Kabsat Toto. So, ayan. Ganda ng travel nila Kabsat Toto sa sa Mexico. Those are some nice things. I'm front of the camera. They're amazing. Wow. You know, this is, I don't know, this is from my daughter. She calls it Jose Antonio. I don't know why. Because this, she bought this from other store, and then when she found this one, she called it Jose Antonio. And these are, I think, from what we call this Pokemon. These two. So there you go. And this one is another Pokemon, I think. This penguin. Oh, nice. Thank you so much, Steve.